Congress-led United Democratic Front prepares to return to power in Kerala after a decade, three Congress leaders from Karnataka are being credited for playing a key organizational role in the victory. AICC Secretaries Mansoor Ali Khan, PV Mohan and PM Sandeep Kumar were in charge of different regions in Kerala ahead of the assembly elections. Along with AICC General Secretary Deepa Das Munshi, the leaders had camped in the state months before polling began. The UDF won 102 seats in the 140-member Kerala Assembly. The Congress alone secured 63 seats. Its allies, the Indian Union Muslim League, won 22 seats, Kerala Congress 7, Revolutionary Socialist Party 3, and Kerala Congress Jacob 1 seat. Mansoor Ali Khan, who handled the Malabar region covering 48 assembly constituencies, said the Congress won 40 seats in the zone. The region included Kasaragod, Kannur, Wayanad, Kozhikode and Malappuram. He said the victory reflected unity, discipline and sustained groundwork by party workers. PV Mohan, who oversaw the central Kerala region including Palakkad, Thrissur, Ernakulam, Idukki and Kottayam, said the main focus was on reconnecting with party workers. He stated that Congress leaders spent more time strengthening the cadre network than campaigning among voters. According to him, anti-incumbency against the Left Democratic Front government had become visible from 2024 itself. PM Sandeep Kumar managed the southern Kerala region including Alappuzha, Kollam, Thiruvananthapuram and Pattanamthitta. Congress leaders claimed the party wave extended across the state and was not limited to northern Kerala. The BJP managed to win 3 seats in the state. Congress leaders said the party could have won those seats as well under different circumstances. Mansoor Ali Khan had earlier served as AICC Secretary in charge of Telangana during the Congress victory in the 2023 Assembly elections there.